Today I'm going to show you how to bid on a simulcast auction. So here we are on our homepage, Whitaker Marketing Group homepage. You scroll down and this is where you're going to find our featured auctions. So this is the auction that we're going to be working on today. It's called the test auction. You can click right here on the pictures and it will open up that auction. So once you're there, you're going to scroll down and it will show you some of the description information. If you have not reviewed that already, here is where you are going to actually enter the auction to view and hear the auctioneer. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see each one of the individual lots and more description. But we're going to enter this auction. So now here's the button that we want everybody to find. Click here to view the live stream. That's what you're going to click on. Here's your bid button. Now, when the auctioneer is going and the online clerk, the auctioneer says we need a break, they're going to put on break. That's going to light up. So last call, selling now, and sold. That's going to show you some indicators. If you scroll down, here's where you message the auctioneer if you have any questions, which is going to pass it to the online clerk. And she will try to answer those questions and help you in any way that you might have a certain bidding platform. There they just said, message me here. Here is the current lot that's going to be selling. So lot number 1, 80 acres. If you scroll down, you'll continue to see the other lots that are in this auction. I will scroll back up. We're going to click here to view the live stream.
And we'll go to work here. I got $1,000 and bid on the floor at $1,000. That gonna be $2. $1,000 here. $4,000, $5,000. What am I gonna do? I'm 5. That gonna be 6. I'm 5, 5, 6 here, and 5, 5, and then 6, 7 here. 7. I'm at 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. I sold it to you online better.
So as you can see, we won that part of the auction. That was lot 1. Now it lights up and says sold.
Here we go. 5,000. That gonna be 6. I'm 5,000, $6,000 here, there, $6,000, $7,000. How about 75? I'm 65 and 75 of all of it. Here, 85 of all of it. Here, $8,000 now. 85 of all of it. 85 go there. I'm 8,500 here. 5 of all of it. 85 of all of it. 95 of all of it. 85 online suddenly. And I gotta be 9,000, 95 now. $10,000. I'm 10,000. I gotta be 10, 10, 5. Anybody else? Are we done? I'm 10,500 now. 11,000. I'm sold. $11,000 going to go to buyer number 1 live in the crowd.
And that is all that there is to a simulcast auction. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. But again, it's a simple process. And again, use this message bar if you have any questions to the online clerk.